Village Mates! So welcome back to
Another episode of
Village Knows Guess It.
And today, we're going to test our guessing skills.
Kung gaano nga ba namin kilala ang product ng Pet Village? Ano?
Tara!
So this is our mechanics.
So for round 1, it's guess the picture. Kapakita kami ng mga images and our players need to guess kung ano yun. Let's start. Ready na?
Ready?
Ready.
Picture number 1. 1, 2, 3.
Ano yan? Dalitop's wholesome pork. Okay. May pork meat yung picture, may carrots, may pumpkin, may broccoli, cauliflower. Kaya, sagot ko is wholesome pork.
Picture number 2. 1, 2, 3.
Ay! Wala pa. Wala. Ano yan? Ano yan? Ano yan? Milky Puppy. Milky Puppy yan. Kasi yung soy sa taas, and then yung wheat tsaka yung corn. Yun kasi yung mga yung mga ingredients ng Milky Puppy. Magaling.
Okay, all one.
Picture number 3. 1, 2, 3.
Dito mo no. Sorry.
Nagra-rush. Kinabahan. Ayun, chicken lincoln. Kasi doon sa may sa may chicken feet pa lang, alam na agad na chicken lincoln siya. So, yun. Paano ba yan? To
Di
over
ba tapos?
Picture number 4. 1, 2, 3.
Ano yan? Dairy Bites. 40 grams. May 40 grams pa. Di mo kaya. Kasi sa picture, merong cranberries, strawberries, and blueberries. So, obviously. So, for round 2, it's guess the product by its benefits. Bibigay kami ng clues or benefits and they need to guess kung anong product yun. And isusulat namin sa papel. So, bali paunahan pala to. Okay.
So, ready ka na ba?
I'm born ready.
Well,
1, 2, 3.
wait. Wait lang, wait. Ano? Ano ba yan?
Yung Veggie Bites kasi, nagbibigay siya ng essential vitamins such as the vitamin A and C mula sa vegetable. Nakakatulong din to sa immune system nila, sa vision, and overall body health ng dogs.
1, 2, 3.
Walang tinta na yung mga po! Walang tinta! Walang tinta.
Yung Chicken Supreme kasi, ideal talaga sa mga dogs. Lalo na nababalance na ito yung source of energy nila. Kasi nga, chicken may protein and lean energy. And mas makakatulong dito sa digestion ng dogs natin and nutrient absorption.
1, 2, 3.
Una. Sino na?
Yun na.
Si Laika.
Berry Bites kasi loaded siya with antioxidant na papalakas ng immune system and less prone siya sakit for dogs. And also, yung Berry Bites kasi mayroong cranberries, strawberries, and blueberries na mayroon siyang vitamin C and K.
For round 1, Kezaya got 2 points, while Laika also got 2 points. For round 2, Kezaya got 1 point, and Laika got 2 points. So the winner is... Laika!
And that's it for today's Village Knows Guess It.
Don't forget to follow our social media accounts.
See you on the next Village Knows. Bye!
Pet Village, always providing the best for your pets.